Hello, Gary here. I just wanted to show a little bit about Excel from Office 365 online and doing some of this data analysis stuff that we're doing. So here I had to download the Google Sheet as an Excel file, and then I uploaded it to my OneDrive. Now, as BMCC students, you have a Outlook and Microsoft account. So clicking there will take you to your Outlook. And then from Outlook in the upper right, there's a multi-dot button. You can open up all these other apps like your OneDrive, for example. So for example, here I am in my OneDrive, and this is where I uploaded my file that I had to download from Google Drive. So again, if you're an Excel user, apologies. I think Google Drive is way easier to use. So I'm going to do all my work there, but you can download stuff from Google Drive and upload it into OneDrive and then work with it as a as an Excel sheet or a Word doc. Now, all the formulas that we use in Google Sheets will work in Excel, but the charts from Excel and Google Sheets are not compatible. So the sample charts that I had in that Google Doc, Google Sheet will not appear in Excel. So I just, click to open that, and here it is here. Other thing, Google Sheets makes histograms easier. It makes pie charts on raw data easier. It makes bar charts on raw data easier. Excel is a bit of a pain for some things. So for example, for gender, in Google Sheets, I can just highlight the data and then click chart, and Google will make me a very nice frequency chart for that raw categorical data. Excel will not. So I highlight the data, right? I hit insert recommended charts, and it's doing a recommendation of a pivot chart. You'll see why in a minute. If I try to do something like a straight pie chart on this, it gets very confused about the data. It doesn't know, it's not programmed to do that right away like Sheets is. So what I would have to do is make a pivot chart for it. And what a pivot chart is a summary of that data. So then I did that already. So it's going to make you a new tab, and then it's going to count the females, count the males, count preferred not to say, and count any blanks, and give you a summary there. Then it's going to take that frequency table and turn it into a frequency whatever. So here I have it in a frequency donut chart, but you could make it a frequency bar chart or a frequency pie chart. But again, in Excel, you have to do that extra step of taking the raw data, making a summary frequency table out of it. And then after you do that, you can then make a chart, which Google with Excel tries to do in one quick shot. All right. So again, it's a little bit harder to do these things in Excel, but Excel has more options, but more options can also be a problem.